It says, question your Toma ICC. The first question, I'm looking for it. It says, write the following decimal in the form. Write the following decimal in the form of what? Write the following decimal in the form of m over n, right? Where m and n are integers, but our n is not equal to 0. Why did they say n is not equal to 0? Because if our n is equal to 0, then our equation is going to be undefined. Are we good?
Yeah.
On A, we're given 5, 3, 6, 4 recurring. So I said, how do we answer such kind of an equation? I said we let our x to be equal to what? 5, 3, 6, 4 recurring. Oh, good.
Yeah.
And this is our equation 1. So how many digits are repeating 3? It means we're going to multiply by 1 and 3 zeros. Or let me write it here, multiply by 1000. Then it means we're going to have 1000x is equals to, when we multiply by 1000, is going to be like this, comma, we have got those digits and recurring. This is our equation what? 2. Then we said equation 2, we're subtracting equation 1 on it. It means we're going to have 1000x minus x is equals to 5364, 364 recurring minus 5,364. Then it means here we're going to have 999x is equals to 539. We're going to have 5359, right? Then we divide both sides by what? By 999. We divide both sides by 999. Therefore, that one and that one cancel, and ourselves we end up with x is equals to what? 5359 divided by what? 999. Any question?
No.
Can we proceed?
Yeah.
And the next question was B, which is 0.3 recurring. So ourselves, we're going to let our x to be the given question. This is our equation 1. How many number repeating is 1? So it means we've got 1, 0. This 0 coming from how many number repeating? So it means therefore when we multiply, we're going to have this. This is nothing but 3, 3 recurring. Then this is our equation 2. Are we good? Then we say the equation 2 minus equation 1. Then it means we've got 10x minus x, which is equals to 3, 3 recurring minus 0, 3. Then we've got 9x is nothing but equals to 3. Then we divide both sides by what?
By 9.
By 9. Then it means we're going to have x is equals to 1 over 3. Then we proceed.
Yeah.
They said simplify. Is it difficult? The next question. Next question is the next question difficult?
No. Isn't the answer 2 minus 3i?
You got what?
2 minus 3i.
My babu. On already I'm very sure.
Yeah, it's fine. You can do it.
Okay. Tendo nifunza face to face izvo tuveona toshapa nendoneta nonoita zvinhu. Nebhora view. We've got 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I, then minus into 1 plus 2I multiplied by 2 plus 2I plus 3 minus I divided by 1 plus I. So this is nothing but going to be equal to 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. So when we simplify this, I told you that we multiply by the conjugate. Is that so?
Yeah.
Then we said minus, then we remove a bracket. This is 2 plus 2I plus 4I. Or follow what?
Yeah.
Plus 4I squared. Then plus 3 minus I divided by 1 plus I. Then we multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. We know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then this is going to be equal to numerator by numerator, or you want us to write everything? I mean, even to say this one, we write in brackets, showing multiplication.
Everything is fine.
Although, 1 plus I, 1 plus I. It's like this, right? 1 minus I, 1 plus I. Then minus, inside the brackets, we've got 2 plus, we group the like term. This is 6I. Then this is plus 4 into, we know that this is minus 1. Is that so?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm following.
Okay. Then we've got 1 plus I. I won't skip any step, ne? 1 minus I. Then you can write here that I squared is equals to minus 1. So that they may not ask where did we substitute it from. Then this is 1. And now you know how to remove the bracket, is that so?
Yeah.
Oh, but remember we're writing everything. This is 2i, and this is plus I squared. Then divided by the difference between 2 square, we said the first one with the first one and the second one with the second one. And now we know that the middle part is going to cancel.
Yep.
Then minus into, we're going to have what? Oh, all the steps, plus 6i. This is minus 4, is that so?
We're going to have -2. We're going to have -2.
Are you not
plus
the one who said we have to write all the steps?
Okay, so
3 times 1. 3 times minus I, 1 times that one is minus 4i, right? Then plus I squared divided by what? By 1 minus I squared. Then we substitute, this is 1 plus 2i minus 1. Or let me say, since we're writing everything down, plus into minus 1 divided by, this is 1 minus into minus 1. Is that so? Hello. Azwane na.
yeah.
Minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1. Then we're going to have 2i divided by 2. And let that 1 and 1 cancel. We remove the bracket. This is plus 2 minus 6i. Then plus, we've got 2 minus 4i divided by 2. Then 2 and 2 cancel. We've got I plus 2 minus 6i plus that 2 is going to divide each, and we've got 1 minus 2i. Is it?
Wait.
Don't worry, I'm with you, ne?
Okay.
I'm here. This is equals to 2 over 2 minus 4i over 2. Where, by the way, this is 1 minus 2i, which is this.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, then we've got what? 2 plus 1 is 3. I minus 6 minus 2 is what? Minus
-7.
7i. This is your final solution.
Damn, yo. I was off. Yo.
I know.
I was off. Yo.
And
But it's fine. I saw my mistake. It's fine.
And myself, I told you guys everything. I was laughing when I'm looking at this assignment. Just that my students are not yet serious. I don't know what can I do to make you guys to be serious.
It's not that we're not serious. It's that like we are still adjusting to everything.
Yeah, you must adjust first. If you can adjust to tell us, we'll teach you how to adjust.
We're just adjusting. Everything is so new. How?
There's nothing new. You are the only one who is new.
Everything is new.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah.
Abina ka classes zote zine ndafunza chivakomba so hatari kuri. I still remember those ladies when I was with them near the library. When I asked them about the classes, they say yes, 8 is fine. Right. This is 1 plus I to the power 2 and plus y into 2 minus I to the power 2 is equals to what? 3. I told you those things. Just that you guys, you're confused by this. X is an element of a real number. Yeah. So are we good?
Yeah.
So now, this is nothing but don't write equals to here. We don't have 2 equals to in mathematics. With something like this, it's equals to 3 plus 10i. Don't take anything from the left hand side and bring it to the right. Are we fine? Are we still together? Hello.
Yeah, I'm still here.
So it means we're going to have what? This one, if it is, even if this one, it comes on your test, you have to let, how do we let? I said, how do we let this one? We check the repeating numbers, right?
Yes.
And this one, the trick was on those two that you guys were, I told you that when we simplify those, we multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. When we simplify this complex dividing each other, we multiply by the conjugate. That's all was a trick. But anyways, let's proceed. So I was saying 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times I is I. 1 times I is I. Then we go to plus 2i. Is that so? Then plus I squared. Then plus y into 4 minus 4i. Right. Hello?
Yeah, it's correct.
Then minus 1. This is plus I squared, right?
Yeah.
Is equals to 3 plus 10i. So we know ourselves that this is x into 1 plus 2i minus 1 plus y into 4 minus 4i minus 1 is the one which is equals to 3 plus 10i. You write for them that because your I squared is equals to minus 1. Now we save. And this is what? 1 and 1 cancel, right? We're left with the 2xi. Then plus, we remove the brackets. It means 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times y is plus 3y. Did you get it? then minus 4yi is equals to 3 plus 10i. Are we good? Hello, Kone?
Yes, sir.
Ndoweni yachani tsaviwe.
Roitani.
Rolanga chipinga ndi chipinga dzezvi.
Wait, it's 2xi plus what? Like, okay, sure.
Zvitu zvawo zvakukone.
Network better. Tikopfa chitu. Hello.
Namwe tofarwa ngamapurisa rokurukwa. Kozviona mabhidhi. Mabhidhiyo.
Huh?
Rekurwe kone kana rekuricha.
I mean, I don't know.
Nobisiwa na iniri. So we're going to take out the common factor of I, ne? We're good. Any matter.
Yeah.
Then this is equals to 3 plus 10i. We fine. So we equate the, remember our complex number, it says what? It says z is equals to a plus ib or bi, where this is the real and this is the imaginary. Are we good? So the real is equals to the real and the imaginary is equals to the imaginary. We find.
Yeah.
Okay. Then it means we're going to equate corner.
Tshifhinga tshoṱhe zwi to dzula zwo to ralo real part to lingana ya zwezwo vha khou amba zwone.
Ro solve mbalo so yes. A rate is always the left hand side is kha right, the right is kha left. Remember they solve until we equate. We can say equate the real by real and imaginary. Equate the real and imaginary. So the real is what? Is 3y is equals to 3. Then if we solve for y, we're going to get what? Or do you want us to name it as an equation? Okay. This is our equation 1. And we've got what? 2x minus 4y is equals to 10. This is our equation 2. So from 1, we're getting that y is equals to 1. Is that so? And then we divide both sides by 3. Hello?
Yeah.
So meaning that we're going to substitute sub y into 2. It means we're going to end with what? with the 2x minus 4 into 1 is equals to 10. Therefore, we take 4 to that side, then we'll get this. Is that so? No, it will be positive that side. Then it means we're going to get 40. Then we divide both sides by 2. Guys, are you following?
Yes.
Therefore, y is equals to 1 and x equals to 7. Any question?
Kumbera u talutshedziwa kha step number 5. Okay, ndo zwi wana.
Are you sure?
Ndo zwi wana. Thi hafhanoni ro bvisa common factor ya I.
Dzi tou nga zwithu zwone zwo ḓa zwa ri so plus 2xi minus 4yi is equals to 3 plus 10i. So here our common factor is I.
Okay, thank you.
We can proceed, right?
Yes.
And the next question says what? It says we've got x plus yi 3 plus 4i is equal to 3 minus 4i. X is an element of a real number. Y is an element of a real number. Then we're going to remove the brackets. Then this is what? We're going to have what? 3x, is that so? Plus
Yeah.
4xi plus 3yi plus 4yi squared, which is equal to, I told you that you don't take things from the right to the left or from the left to the right. Are we good?
Yes.
Then this is nothing but what? 3x plus 4xi plus 3yi plus 4y into minus 1 is equals to 3 minus 4i, where I squared is equals to minus 1. Then we group the one for a real, and we group the one for this one, but there is a common factor here. Did you get it? Hello?
Yeah, we got it.
Then we equate the real by real and the imaginary by what? By imaginary. We name it our first equation. Then we've got a 4x plus 3y is equals to minus 4. Then this is our second equation. Then you must be smart. Here we must act smart more than smart. So we have to make sure that this is something that are the same. So we're going to say equation 1. We're going to multiply it by 3. And we're going to say equation 2. We're going to multiply it by 4. So that the values of y look the same. So 3 times 3 is 9. X minus 12y is equals to 9. Now, good. Then let's name it equation 3. Then this one, 4 times 4 is 16x. Then that one times 4 is 12. Y is equals to minus 16. Then this is equation 4. And ourselves, we're going to add those two equations. Add equation 3 and 4. So it means we're going to have 9x plus 16x minus 12 plus minus 12 is 0. Then this is equal to 9 minus 16. So can you see that we are left with something that have got x only? Hello?
Yeah.
Can we proceed to the next step?
No, I can't understand this thing. Like, what's going on? Equation, what? Like, equation 1, 2, 4, how? Like, what's going on?
May you please ask the question properly, because the way you are asking, we can't even get what you want to say.
Okay, the question is that what is going on here? Like, from equation 2 to equation 4, I'm lost.
You don't know how we get equation 2.
No, equation 3 and 4. Why are we multiplied by 3 and 4?
So that this one and this one can be the same, so that when they're the same, we can add and they get 0. And it will make us have the easy way to solve for x than to deal with fractions.
Okay, so every time if we are dealing with such question like this, we have to do multiplication.
You can multiply, or you can make one. This is solve for x simultaneously, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, or you can use your grade 12 simultaneous for equation on what you know. You can make x subject to the formula or y subject to the formula, then you deal with it.
Okay.
Myself, I prefer this one, multiplication, because if you can check those two to be those two equations to be the same here at y. You just multiply the top by this 3 and you multiply the bottom by this 4. That's what we did. I didn't even mention which equation that I'm just saying equation. Here I was supposed to say equation 1 times 3, then equation 2 times 4. Are we good?
Yes.
So now let's proceed. We're going to have 9 plus that one is 25x which is going to be equals to -7. Therefore, we divide both sides by by 25. Divide both sides by 25. Therefore, we get that indeed our x is equals to -7 over 25. Are we good?
Yes.
We are going to substitute x into our equation 1. So on our equation 1, where there's a x, we're going to substitute with -7 over 25. Then this is minus is 4y, which is nothing but equals to 3. Then this is what minus 21 over 25 is. That's all. Hello?
Yeah.
Then minus 4y equals to 3 plus 21 over 25. Then minus 4y equals to 71 over 25 is. That's all. Guys,
No, I got 96 over 25.
Me
when
too.
you get 96 over,
25.
yeah, it shows that you're following. Because you can teach the word plus while you're quiet. So now it's 96 over 25, right? You got this?
Yes.
Yeah.
When you say 3 plus 21 over 25, right?
Mm.
Divide both sides by -4. Then we get our y is equals to what? Our y is nothing but equals to what?
-24 over 25.
-24 over 25. Do you guys have any question?
No.
Then we'll proceed.
Yes.
The state computes real and imaginary. This thing we did it 1,000 times. I minus 4 divided by what? By 2I minus 3. So I told you guys that what do? We multiply by the conjugate, is that all? So it means our z is equals to 1 minus 4. Why am I saying 1? I minus 4 divided by 2I minus 3 multiplied by the conjugate is minus 2I minus 3 divided by minus 2I minus 3. Remember, the conjugate only affects the imaginary. That's all.
Yes.
Then this is nothing but going to be like this, divided by 2i minus 3 minus 2i minus 3. Then when we remove the brackets, we're going to have negative 2i squared minus 3i plus 8i plus 12. Then divided by minus 4i squared minus 6i plus 6i minus, not minus, plus 9. Is that so?
Yes.
Then this is equals to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 5i plus 12 divided by minus 4 into minus 1 plus 9. Then here where our I squared is equals to minus 1. Then when we group it, we're going to have 14 plus 5i divided by what? We're going to be divided by what?
By 30.
By 13. We're good. Then this is nothing but going to be equals to 14 over. Yes. One.
Havanoni thi vari musi ri tshi wana complex conjugate ri to u tshintsha sign ya imaginary party. Arali nda tshintsha sign ya real party, phindulo ine nda ḓo wana yone i ḓovha i different na einoni.
Batsha u zwifha ngori naho ya fana mara eno wana 0.
Okay.
Even answer we kufana.
Ongwana ti?
Namusi answer dzi tshi khou fana.
Ya, metse a ngo amba zwori u tshintshiwa ya ya real. U tshintshiwa ya imaginary fhedzi.
Havha vhathu vha to konḓisa zwithu zwi sa konḓi. Haye.
A tshi fhedza u gungula ambe ri ya phanḓa.
A ri ye phanḓa.
Let's proceed. Ro no vhudza zwori ra ri no funza face to face. Na ita zwa na ro ḓi netela ri vho kometsa zwino.
Nṋe ndo amba nda ri ri khou ṱoḓa u funza face to face ya muthu a si fhindule.
Ndi namba ni khulwana nne we inwe.
A thi ngo ma namusi hafhaḽa ro lindela maḽemono.
Thina nkho yo kilasini vhewe. Nṋe ho tenda u dzhia kilasi ini ṅwana hoyu. A thi vhe na mulongo. Nda ni sendela mulaedza uri ni tshi bva kilasini ndi kha A7 no ḓa.
Ro gidimela practical ine ya khou tea u ṱuwa matshelo na maths zwoṱhe zwo tea u ṱuwa ṅwana na zwithu.
Ya dina mbanzhi dza khonani. So let's see. Eish, nṋe ri vho ḓi kumedzela. Ambani no ṅwala mini hafha?
Ro vha explain zwo ro ṅwalisa just answer.
ambedzaro zvowe. No, ndina ndikutodedzera. Hey, ndikubva kwanamba mi?
Vakubva kanamba 3 vakanamba 6.
Ngazvepenga. Ndikubva kwanamba 3 nheka ndikubva kwanamba 4.
Yeah, 4.
Matamero chione kutonga chada. Chris, pamwe ndivo vadiva zvavukoni izvi. Koneyo, ndoitani?
Ndotopfizve zvone.
Kone? Mntwana yanga ini. Koneyo, ndoitani? Yeah, so they say complete the square. Now, we are not allowed to complete the square Carrari coefficient here, x squared in a number. So we're going to divide by this. The coefficient must always be 1. Ne? Then we've got x squared plus 2x is equals to minus 11 over 3. Are we good? Then we complete the square. How do we complete the square? We add the half of a coefficient of x squared both sides. Then plus our half is 2 over 2. This is squared. Both sides. So whenever I did our Zimbabwe, I did in our South Africa. Then this is what? We group the 1 on the squared. And then we want to 2 over 1 over 2 in the 1. Okay, row group is the squared phase. And then this is equals to, you press your calculator, get negative 8 over 3. Is that so? Hello.
Yeah, it's correct.
Then, from this step, we square root both sides. This is plus or minus the square root of minus 8 over 3. Then it means we're going to have x plus 1. It's nothing but equals to plus or minus square root of negative 8 over 3. Then our x is equals to, we take this one to that side, minus 1 plus or minus. This is I square root of 8 over 3. And this is your final solution. Here you can tell them that because your I is equals to negative square root of 1. Any question?
Apa
Square root of negative 4 is the same as I times square root of 4, which is equals to I 2. Square root of negative 3 is the same as, remember, is the same as negative 1 times square root of 3. Where square root of negative 1 is I? How about this?
Okay, arali square root of negative 3 equals to square root of negative 1 multiplied by square root of 3. Zvine ridiva zori square root of negative 1 in the height. Okay, arali einoni I ndaipanga nga ngomu kha root nazwo ndi vha ndo wana 0.
aipanga nga ngomu square root i khou dzhia mini nga ngomu square root?
Ndi tshi khou ri square root of -3i.
Square root of -3i i vha i siho nga ngomu square root a nga ri square root of -3i
No, square root of 3i.
a i vha i nga nnḓa ya vhuya ya ri so ha tsha amba zwone.
Oh, musi okay. Eish.
Zwitshele
Zwi vha zwi wrongo.
zwi vha zwi wrong a i dzheni a i nga ngomu.
Vho mulaudzi musi vha tshi khou ṅwalisedza zwithu.
Hey ene ho mithi no khou rekhodiwa a songo vhuya amba madzina a vhathu.
Sorry. Okay, let's proceed.
So let's say we've got something like this. Kone. Let's say this is it. If we're cheating for maths, and we know that this is the same as square root of I squared multiplied by square root of 5x. Zwine hii na hii ḓo vhulaya na sala I square root of that. Ozwo wa zwi tshi itea so ngauri -1 tea hafho na -1 ḓo zwo lingana hitshi tshithu hitshi.
Network kare ya bad.
Did you get it? Hurry guys, mandamena.
Yeah.
Oi wanana.
Yeah.
Wewe waina msinsi na kope mandamena.
There's no
About.
COVID. Or rather, one of the lab reports, the physics. So
So Rita mi rete bije bre pandare. Officer kone.
Those pieces.
Then we've got this one, which is equal to 3x minus 3. So on these two, we've got two cases. The first case, because the absolute value is when this one x minus 4 is equal to x minus 4. Are we good?
Yes.
Which is greater or equals to 0. As it is number x is greater or equals to 4. Did you get it?
Hayi.
As it is absolute value, ne? It can be x if our x is greater or equals to 0. It will be minus x if our x is less than 0 only. Those are the two conditions of the absolute value of that function. Did you get it? Hmm?
Mm.
Guys, did you get it?
Now I get it. I don't know for Matamera because she was raising her hand.
Ami?
Nah, it's fine. I got it.
So now, let's proceed. So it simple means we're going to substitute the one for positive on there. It means our x minus 4 is equals to 3x minus 3. Then we solve for x, we take this one to the side, is going to be minus 2x is equals to 1. Then we divide by 2, by negative 2, we get negative 1 over 2. Therefore, since we said x is greater or equals to 4, then we reject the solution. Are we good? Okay, is our negative half greater or equals to 4? Hmm? Guys, you guys, you're quiet. Nah, I will sleep. Guys, can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Then we're going to case 2. Our case 2 is when this one is equals to negative. It means it's less than 0. Are we good? Hmm?
Yeah.
What does that mean? Hmm? Or let
What
me
was
just write, or let me just write this that you guys can be. It's when your things that is inside is less than 0, which implies that your x is less than 4. Then it simple means we're going to copy the one. Remember, less than 0 we multiply by negative. Then this is equals to 3x minus 3. Therefore, minus x plus 4 is equals to 3x minus 3. Therefore, 2x, not 2x, minus 5x is that all. Hello?
wait?
Minus 5x. And now we're taking 3 to that side. Or minus 4. This one?
Yeah, it's 4.
Yeah, it's 4. It's 4, right? then it's equals to what? 7, right? Minus 7. Then we divide both sides by minus 4. Divide by minus 4. Therefore, our x is equals to 7 over 4. Is 7 over 4 less than 4? Huh? Is 7 over 4 less than 4?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. You can ask.
Nenda ndobva network aikufara iko bad ati kumlovudza apa noni since what if then we reject the solution why iri ku reject a solution
Ngauri negative 1 over 2 aiho asi khulwane kha 4.
zviamba okay zvavudzi okay zvavudzi final solution ndipiyo ndi a noniyor therefore x equals to 7 over 4 okay
Now do you understand Repanda?
yes
It's up to you. How do you want us to solve it? No, that the crosser multiplier kana resolve nga ndira chine ndo sara nechikopfesesa.
Okrosa.
Okay, nechikrosa noona mi.
Like solution of it is or like
Your face is
cross multiply.
no cross multiply. Solution of it noona mi cross multiply in.
Solution of it
Cross multiply.
like no, like I want to understand or like do you mean the answer or like musarot of its like a cross multiply answer?
When you are done to cross multiply.
2x brackets x minus 3 that equal like yeah then 8 on the other side.
Are you sure?
No. Hi.
Yes, sir. Okay. We can say this is 8 over x minus 3 minus 2x is less or equals to 0. Then we multiply by the denominator. Minus 2x multiplied by the denominator. Then this is less or equals to 0 multiplied by the denominator. Then this one cancel. We're left with 8 minus 2x squared plus 6x is less or equals to 0. Then we put our equation in a standard form. Minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 8 is less equals to 0. Then we divide both sides by -2. Then it means we're going to have x squared minus 3x minus 4 is now greater or equals to 0. Why? Because we divided by negative. CV, critical values, is greater or equals to 0. Then this is x. This is x. The factors 4 and 1. Then minus and plus. Then we said x is equals to 4, or x is equals to -1. Or let me say we pretend here to as if we're dealing with an equal sign, or x plus 1 equals to 0, which means that x equals to 4 or x equals to -1. Then we say small number, x big number, then we go and copy this sign. Then we ended up using. Yeah, any question?
Hey, now I'm lost.
Where did you get lost?
Step number 2.
At number 2. In number 2, we want to eliminate this fraction. So remember, here over 1. And this is like over 1. Over 1. With the road is the cancel, so that this one is so that this one and this one cancel.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Then we'll proceed.
Camera imesachanga.
Yeah, Kambe.
Okay, like hear me out, Nick. Like, no one answer at the same batch. Like little crosser. So like
Meaning Reka question Negotobera.
yeah,
Chanda.
yeah.
Camera. I'm
No, it's
waiting.
fine.
Or Revanda is fine.
Yes.
We're given what? Mm-hmm. Ndita nchamba iya rinarido dedechera mitinosero ono.
Wait, yani.
onetiwa vadonetediwa vayaneta ava mutu.
Narina roneta, especially umzimba is tired.
Mm? How many?
Narina roneta, especially umzimba.
Yeah. Ngo kona ndikuona vatu vacho. And they want what? Hello? Guys, those people, they want what? The angle, right? And ourselves, we know that cos of theta is equals to what? The dot product of the two divided by the what? This. Then we go and find that our dot product is going to say, we take the coefficient, the first one multiplied by the first one plus, the second one multiplied by the second one plus, the third one multiplied by the third one. Then what did you get when you press your calculator? 3 plus 4 plus 3, 7, 10, right? You see, you are
Yes.
too slow to press the calculator, you guys. Then we're going to have what now? The magnitude of A, which is equal to the square root of 1 squared plus minus 2 squared plus 3 squared. Then you go to the solution. Then for this one, the square root of what? Of 3 squared minus the plus minus 2 squared plus 1 squared. Then you get what?
Magnitude of A is equal to square root of 14.
Square root of 14. Watermelon, guys.
Magnitude of B, square root of 14.
Square root of mini?
14 zote zofana.
Oh, kuwafana. Then we're going to say what? Our theta is equal to what? Cos what is our dot product is 10 divided by this one, square root of 14 multiplied by square root of 14. Then our theta is equal to what?
Forty-four comma 42 degree.
44, comma
42 degree.
reka kufedza ri reka kufedza question batofedze
Yeah.
zvokona
Lai.
zvino ndicho ichi ndicho nescope cha test yototoma ti ndi vangodzivi zvithu fedzi musongoyana ḓivha zwiṅwevho zwine a ni ngo zwi funziwa ti izwo magombakomba. This is 3i plus 4i. Page maro I arete toshimuka kurura 4j plus 7k and we've got b. This is a vector, is 4i plus 9j plus 2k. Then they want the both of them. They want cross products. They want cross products. I'm going to say the cross product, which is given by what? By A cross B is going to be equals to I JK, or the first one is 3, 4, 7. We did this, right? 4. Artofundanezi. We use plus, minus, plus. You see? That's why I'm happy with the students, because we draw this line and we move this on. Then when we move that one, the first one is I, which is positive. Then we write the numbers that are left. 4, 7, 9, 2. Then we move that line, the vertical line only. So, then we move that vertical line only and it becomes C. But the next sign is minus, is that so? We write minus, then we copy this with its and its sign. J is just that even itself is plus that one. So we write the numbers that are not crushed. Then we move that line. Then our K is plus. Then we copy the numbers that are not crushed. Please carry your calculator. This is the determinant of 2 by 2. Is 4 times 2 minus 7 times 9. Then minus J into 3 times 2 minus 7 times 4. Then plus K into 3 times 9 minus 4 times 4. Then arif, when you press those things on your calculator, what do you get? Four times 2 minus 7 times 9.
Negative 55.
We get negative 55 times I. Negative 55 I. Is that so? Then we say 3 times 2 minus 7 times 4 is negative 22, right? Then multiply by this negative, which is outside, then give us positive 22J. Then we say 3 times 9 minus 4 times 4. We get 11. Is that so? 11 multiplied by K is 11K. So this is your final solution. Any question?
No question. You are tired. Nilikuwa kumeza. Eh.
So can I end the class, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, you know, so upload that those one